My wife's actually a dental hygienist, so we're a big dental family. Yeah, we both met in dental assisting school here in Irving, Texas, and we really enjoy working together. We do some community service as well. We've been to a few T-Moms, which is Texas Mission of Mercy. We do some community outreach. You go to certain towns and do cleanings and fillings, or you pull some teeth and so forth. So she's gone with me to a few of those, where she's done the hygiene while I do the treatment. We did a few back to school health fairs together. I did dental screenings while she did some cleanings. So, we enjoy giving back to the community. It's important to be a member of the community, and so that patients can, when they come in, they feel like, they're helping as well. Because services that we provide here, we can also provide for those patients.